Kur. Au, ouch. Ah,
Almost everyone in Europe has a mobile phone. Half of us are upgrading to the new model every second or third year. Some of us change phones every second month, as we absolutely must have the latest model. This principle of consumerism drives the economy, but it also results in a huge waste of energy and resources. Due to an overproduction of appliances and gadgets we only use for a short part of their life cycle. The consequences can be noticed in the outskirts of most towns, in waste and recycling centers. Carlos is in a tricky situation. His phone is already more than 5 years old.
Hello.
But is still working. Normally, people of his age would go for the new touchscreen model immediately. But as he is studying for his degree in waste management, he decided not to take part in this vicious cycle of buying and throwing away.
Man mobilais telefons nepieciešams, lai es viņu piezvanītu, lai man var kāds piezvanīt un aizsūtīt īsziņas. Ja viņā ir modinātājs, arī ļoti labi, jā, un viņā ir pulkstenis, bet tādas vairāk, teiksim, tās funkcijas ar tiem sociālajiem tīkliem, tās gluži tā īpaši nav man nepieciešams, es tur esmu tad, kad es esmu pie datora.
New gadgets and features are regularly advertised in the shops, promising to ionize your laundry or the refrigerator that buys your milk for you. And even if the new appliance or gadget is more energy efficient than the old one, your electricity bill will still be bigger because of the wider screen, quicker rotations, or new features. What worries Carlos most is that some products are already designed to have short life cycles.
Mēs īsti neesam situācijas noteicēji. Tad tas būtiskais, ka ražotājs jau nosaka to, ka es iegādāšos kaut ko jaunu, ne pēc mana nostādītā dzīves cikla šam produktam, bet pēc viņa nostādītā.
In the end, most of this so-called junk ends up here, in the recycling center where Carlos works. He thinks of it as a great monument to energy waste, overproduction, and advertising.
Ir, protams, arī mūsu elektronikas kalnā var vērot tehniku, kura vēl būtu kalpojusi tam patērētājiem vai tam cilvēkam. Viņa vienkārši ir izmesta, tāpēc, ka viņš nopirka jaunu modeli.
So, when you're planning to buy that new appliance which promises to be more energy efficient, think twice. Has your old appliance truly reached the end of its life cycle? Do you really need all the new features of the new gadget? Will this new device actually save you energy, even though it is bigger, has more functions, and is meant to be used more often?
Es cenšos izvēlēties pēc iespējas ilgspējīgākas preces vai arī preces, kuras man kalpos pēc iespējas ilgāk.